Hi everybody, welcome back to our brand new episode of Where to Watch. I'm back with a new video, and for today's topic I'm gonna go with the Fast X. If you're thinking about watching out with your family or friends, then this video is for you, where you could actually where I'm gonna provide you with easy steps on where it is actually available. So for that case, you want to exit out of the page and go to the browser and type in FastX Where to Watch. When you type in that, it's gonna show you the list of platforms where it is actually available. Like I said, you could find it on Max, you could also find it on Roku and fastxmovie.com. So if you want to go with a reliable one, then I would always prefer you go with the Max. So you want to go with the Max and make sure that you already have a subscription. If you don't, then you could also go with the Roku. So this way you could go ahead and stream your favorite TV show or movie. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.